Hi, welcome back. Incoming with big update of BTC. So please stay with for more crypto market analysis. BTC update. 1. Price had a nice weekend pump of 5% from our long entry near 18.6k. 2. 19.6k still acting as an important resistance in every move up. 3. This needs to be flipped for any good movement. 4. Now LTF support would be near 19k and invalidation would be below 18.6k if we start closing below. Look for longs much lower and expect new lows. 5. Nothing much has changed, just play the range until it breaks one sides. 6. Bitcoin volatility index is also near at all-time low, indicating volatility may hit any time soon and the move will be bigger up or down when it happens. The Bitcoin hash price has reached an all-time low of $66,500 per exahash. This means that $BTC miners are earning the smallest reward relative to hash power applied in history, and likely puts the industry under extreme income stress.